Badge number 4, it's all yours. Congratulations once again on earning another badge. That is 4 out of 6, and you are 60% of the way through this course, so congratulations again. So the knowledge of knowing how to identify who your target market is, connect with them, and convert them to your page is going to be really crucial in this next module, because once they're on your page, we want to convert them to paying customers. It's great to have social proof on Instagram and look really popular to all your friends and other businesses, but where the money is really made is converting them from Instagram users to email addresses. That's going to be the main emphasis of this next module, and I'm also going to show you some basic strategies of going from email address to sales. So it's going to be super helpful and super useful in boosting the revenue of your business. I'm going to be talking about building long-term trustworthy relationships with your customers so that they feel safe and happy with your business and will be long-term loyal customers instead of trying to squeeze them for every single cent. I'm also going to show you the best way to progress through the funnel 2.0. I showed you the first funnel in the previous module. This is the full funnel, the real funnel, and it has some extra stages on the end of it. I'm going to be walking you through these stages, showing you how to get email addresses and ultimately sales and new clients from your new 10,000 followers. So once again, question time. Have any questions, ask them now. I'd love to answer them for you. If you haven't left feedback yet, please go ahead and do so now. I'd love to see that. All that aside, let's go ahead and jump on in and start converting our followers to emails to sales.